Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Meta AI from Facebook. So first step, you simply need to hold Facebook application, click on app info, and once you are here you simply need to click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and click on OK. Once you complete that step, you need to go back and you need to open Play Store, and here you need to search for the Facebook, and you need to simply uninstall the Facebook application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you need to open any browser, and here you need to search in any browser, that is Facebook old version, and you can open any website. So for example, I'm going to open the first one, and you simply need to scroll down and you need to download the old Facebook version and you can use that. So this is the only method possible. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.